Hi, I'm John Wargo from the Custom Shop in Flanagan, Illinois. This is our 1966 Catalina 2+2 convertible. Sits on a roadster shop chassis. It's got a LS3. We put a FiTech Tri-Power intake and fuel injection system on this car because we wanted it to look kind of old school, because back in '66 these cars would have came with a carbureted Tri-Power. So for us it was really important to give it that Tri-Power look. And so this car here we built to kind of, it has a classy but muscly feel. We decided to upgrade a lot of things because, you know, obviously everybody wants the old car to drive and run like a new car does. So in today's custom car world, everybody expects the car to run and drive like the new cars do. So when we redo these older cars like this, it's important to us to have the ability to make them run and drive like the new cars. This particular one is it's a silver metallic with a navy blue interior. We're here obviously at the Sony booth out at SEMA, so obviously it's got a big Sony stereo system in it. We did custom wheels. I mean, they're really, it has an old car look, but it's basically kind of a wolf in sheep's clothing, so to say. It's 550 horsepower. And still automatic, and you can still cruise down the road nice and easy with it, but if you want to go running with the big dogs, you can do that as well.
And what are the plans for this car?
This particular car we built for a customer out of Colorado Springs. The really cool part is his father bought this car new in '66, so it's been in their family its whole life. So for them, the owner actually came to see the car for the first time here at SEMA, so to see the look on his face and just the way the car turned out, and to be able to bring this to something that he can hand down to his kids, and it can be in their family for years to come.
Perfect. And do they use it as a cruiser?
Oh yeah, this is definitely going to be something they're going to put a lot of miles on for sure.
Fantastic. And do you know if they plan on going any shows where we can possibly see this car in the future?
Oh yeah, this car will be going all over the place. I mean, that's one of the things about the cars that we build, because most of them are show cars now. But they do drive them and use them, so I mean, I'm sure he'll be hitting all kinds of car shows in the future with this one for sure.
Perfect. And what would you say is your favorite thing about this car?
I mean, I think my favorite part is probably the mix between the old and the new, because it's difficult sometimes when you work on these older cars to not make them so modern that they lose their authenticity of being an old car. So this one we really tried hard, with the technology today to mix the old and the new together, but you still look at it and know that it's still a nice old car.
Perfect. And where can people find more about the Custom Shop?
You can find more about us at thecustomshop.co.
Perfect. All right. Thank you.
Awesome.